Did you know there's a way to steal traffic from YouTube videos that already exist without having your own YouTube videos? If not, stay tuned because I've got some information you're going to want to hear. Hey guys, Eric here. So today we're going to tell you a little bit about something that I found out recently that I found was really interesting based on the idea that with software, you can make your life so much easier, especially if you've got an offer that you're trying to convert. And trust me, I know because I've been running a YouTube channel for years now, in fact, a few of them, and I can tell you it takes a lot of work and time to put into videos. And whether it's the editing or figuring out the content and just making sure everything works out smoothly. So, what I found out with this method is that a lot of people may not share this with you, and mostly because it is extremely profitable. But I'm going to give you some tips here as to how to get leverage from some really cool software to make it easier for yourself when you are trying to convert an offer. So, everyone knows YouTube, but not everyone knows there's a way to steal traffic without owning one single video. And if it sounds too good to be true, it's not. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because I didn't even know this existed. So, why does it happen? Well, a lot of people kind of leave their videos, they neglect them, and they buy that domain name and then they never come back to it. So keep in mind, because there's so many videos uploaded every single day on YouTube, there's many people who have bought domain names and they started getting traffic to their offer and then over time maybe neglected to renew the domain. And of course it happens. I mean, life gets busy, but when traffic is organic and not paid, it's important to stay on top of it. YouTube is one of the go-to places for most people when they're looking for reviews or unboxing videos. You may have even noticed there's videos that have a lot of views, but don't even have a domain to steer traffic to. Now, while this doesn't have anything to do with the technique I'm going to show you, you should know that with a large amount of traffic, you're leaving money on the table. Now, we all know to make money online, it can take both a lot of time and sometimes a lot of money, but imagine that most of the work has been done for you. Imagine not having to record the videos and edit the videos and put in all the right tags and worry about getting little or no views. Imagine not having to pay for ads to get your offer in front of more eyes. I want you to know, so real quickly here, what I've got up is the niche of golf, but specifically how to hit the golf ball higher. So while I can check on these videos here, and just to give you an example, I've already clicked on this one already, and I want something a little bit older because I'm thinking domain names. If it's a domain name, then you got to figure they renew it about every year or so. Let's hit this one here, how to hit towering iron shots. Now I've already looked through this video. And the first thing I'll do is I'll look at the description. And what you'll notice is right here, check out how to improve our game, You My Golf. Click on it, you're redirected, and you're redirected to an actual website. Let's go back. Let's go a little bit lower. Let's see, 3 years. How about this one here? Again, I looked at this one. Going to the description box. There's nothing here. He should have some sort of offer, some sort of website, something that you can click on, because even at almost 8,000 views, it's not that old of a video still. But again, we're searching for videos with high traffic, and let's see, 4 years. Okay, so yeah, this one here, again, 4 years ago, not that long ago. Scroll down. He's got 50,000 views since 2016. He's got a YouTube channel there, and then he's got this link here, and I've already checked this. So you could spend a lot of time searching through videos and eventually maybe find a broken link, a domain they didn't renew. Now with the software, it makes it really easy. So you can literally spend minutes figuring out keywords that you want to use, and then essentially going ahead and checking on that domain. So now I'm going to show you what I do while using the software to figure out which domains are broken. And I've already done the search. And this was one of the videos that came up. And again, it literally took less than a minute, probably 30 seconds to pull up a handful of videos. You notice that there's 14,000 views, and it was from 2015. Gives you an idea of how many subscribers are there. Here's the website. If I click on the website, it says this page isn't working. Now, just to double check, I can go to GoDaddy, for instance, go ahead and do a search, see if it's actually available, and you can see that it is actually available. So it's up to you which whether it's GoDaddy or Namecheap, whatever HostGator that you want to go through. But just to give you an idea how simple it actually is. Again, what I do is I notice, okay, how many views, when was it uploaded, and when you're checking, see if the domain exists, if you're able to buy it and swap it out and have someone go to one of your offers. It's an amazing thing that you're able to do that with this software. I want to quickly show you though, maybe you might know this already, just to give you an example of one of these videos here. When you're on the inside of YouTube and a channel, let's say this guy's channel here, this doesn't have so much to do with trying to get the traffic from their channel, but maybe this might help you out in learning a little bit more about the domain and whether or not it's something you actually want to buy. So let's say you're looking at somebody's channel like this here, and you want to figure out what are their most popular videos. So you can go to videos, and you can go to sort by most popular. And you can see the most popular ones here at the top. That's just sort of a good technique to know when you are doing a search as far as for videos, and a search when you are picking out your keywords and the domains pop up from broken links inside that person's channel. You may want to explore that channel a little bit more. You may want to see which are their most popular videos. How many videos do they actually have? So again, I want to quickly mention that if you're on the fence about picking a niche and something to promote, think about it this way. If there's a problem and you can figure out a solution, then you've got your answer there to a possible profitable offer. In this niche here, we're just talking about golf. Maybe somebody has an issue with swinging. They want to swing further, and I'm not a golfer personally, but maybe that's something that could be a great offer for someone else. Now keep this in mind that you may say, well, what am I going to send them to? Well, you could send them to a ClickBank offer. So I'm on the inside of ClickBank, and maybe I'm going to check out this here, this Monster Golf Swing offer. What I'll do is I'll usually check out the sales page. If I don't care for the sales page, then I'll move on to something else. So again, all the work is done for you. You've got the software to figure out which links are broken, but then you can go ahead and redirect them to an offer that already exists on something like ClickBank. ClickBank isn't the only one. There's other sites as well you can work with as an affiliate, but let's see. Let's scroll down and see if there's another stress-free golf swing. So again, you have a lot of options. And I think if you're trying to save on time, you're trying to save on money, you're trying to save on the idea of having a profitable offer without maybe spending a lot of time on it, this is a great way to go. Now, if you do end up deciding to head to the description box and clicking on the link to get the software, I will have some cool bonuses for you. And just be sure to contact me about some more offers, because if you end up getting it, I definitely want to show you guys there is more than just getting a domain name and redirecting them, because there's more to this affiliate marketing thing. So, and with that being said, go ahead, check out the description box, where you can watch the video that gives you a little bit more information about the software itself. And if you guys end up going and getting the software, again, I've got some great bonuses for you. Thanks again for watching. See you guys real soon.